What's up, guys? Charles here. Just because Prime Day is over, that doesn't mean all the discounts are gone. Plenty of gaming PCs are still on sale on Amazon, including the ZOTAC MEK, an AI-enhanced gaming PC. With a 6% price reduction, it's now available for $1,499.99 and features the Ryzen 57600X and the RTX 5070. This is a good combination for handling everyday tasks in gaming, and at the price, we think it is a good deal. The processor isn't the most powerful, but it can hold its own in a variety of tasks. Ryzen 57600X offers more than enough performance headroom. Even more demanding PC games and software will be able to take advantage of the higher clock speeds. This setup should provide a stable gaming and work experience, and with the RTX 5070, 4K gaming should be possible, though you'll need to enable AI upscaling technology. We appreciate that this gaming PC includes a 2TB SSD, which is a solid size for storage, especially given the large file sizes of modern games and software. This PC offers a complete package with plenty of RAM, storage, decent hardware, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 5, and more. The case is stylish and features a display at the bottom that shows various system details. For this price, we believe it's a good deal, and thanks to the 7600X, you get an AM5 motherboard, which allows future upgrades to any AM5 processor without compatibility issues and improved performance. That's all for today. Leave your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.